Is your home under siege by a relentless army of tumbleweeds, composed entirely of pet hair? Do you spend more time wrestling with a bulky vacuum than cuddling your furry companion? It's time to fight back. The Shark Rocket Pet Corded Stick Vacuum might just be the secret weapon you've been searching for. This review dives deep into the features, functionalities, and potential drawbacks of this model, helping you decide if it's the ultimate positive solution to your pet hair predicament. But can this lightweight champion truly vanquish the fur foe? Or will the battle for a clean home continue? Let's find out. Lightweight champion, effortless maneuvering for easy cleaning. Weighing in at under 9 pounds, the Shark Rocket Pet boasts a lightweight design that makes cleaning a breeze. This is a significant advantage compared to bulkier vacuums, allowing you to effortlessly maneuver around furniture, clean under cabinets, and reach high cobweb havens. No more wrestling with a heavy machine. The Shark Rocket Pet lets you conquer dirt and pet hair with ease. Non-stop power, corded performance for consistent cleaning. Unlike cordless models that require recharging, the Shark Rocket Pet is a corded vacuum cleaner. This translates to consistent and powerful suction throughout your cleaning routine, ensuring effective removal of dirt, debris, and even the most stubborn pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. No more waiting for your vacuum to recharge in the middle of cleaning. Swivel steering. Navigate tight spaces like a pro. Furniture rearrangement can feel like an Olympic sport when cleaning with a bulky vacuum. The Shark Rocket Pet features swivel steering, allowing for smooth and effortless maneuvering around furniture legs and tight spaces. This innovative feature makes cleaning more efficient and less frustrating, especially in homes with a lot of furniture. Transforming hero. From stick vacuum to handheld in a flash, the Shark Rocket Pet isn't a one-trick pony. With a simple click of a button, it transforms from a stick vacuum into a lightweight, handheld vacuum. This versatility allows you to tackle furniture upholstery and tight spaces like car interiors, and even remove pet hair clinging to curtains or delicate fabrics. A feast of attachments, conquering every crevice. The Shark Rocket Pet doesn't just offer a 2-in-1 cleaning solution, it comes with a variety of attachments to tackle every cleaning task. Crevice Tool. Perfect for reaching into tight spaces like corners, baseboards, and between couch cushions, where dust bunnies and rogue pet hair love to hide. Pet Multi-Tool. This specially designed tool tackles stubborn pet hair on furniture upholstery, car seats, and other fabric surfaces. Precision Duster. Ideal for cleaning delicate surfaces like shelves, blinds, and lampshades, removing dust and cobwebs with ease. The final verdict. A powerful and versatile weapon against pet hair. The Shark Rocket Pet Corded Stick Vacuum offers a user-friendly and versatile cleaning solution specifically designed for pet owners. The lightweight design, powerful suction, and multi-surface cleaning capabilities make it a great option for tackling pet hair on various surfaces. The included attachments further enhance its functionality for reaching even the most difficult nooks and crannies. Ultimately, the Shark Rocket Pet Corded Stick Vacuum could be a strong contender for pet owners in smaller homes or apartments with a mix of hard floors and carpets. Those with large homes, a strong preference for cordless options, or a need for a larger dust cup capacity might want to consider alternative models. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.